Welcome back to Initial Speed. Once again, I'm your host, Phil, for now. So let's have a little one-on-one. I've been around cars for most of my life. We grew up with very little, so our car going to the dealership or to a mechanic was a non-issue because we didn't have the money. So from a very young age, I've been under cars with Dad. Thanks, Dad. Since 6, I know for a fact since 6, I've been under cars. Could be earlier, but I can remember back to 6 years of age. The 4th word I ever said was Ferrari, according to my parents. I was destined to like cars. Cars go way back in our family. The track that we are going to today for today's car show is somewhere that I spent quite a bit of time. I would say probably from 9 until about 15, somewhere around there. In any case, I won't bore you with the details. No, we're not taking the Beetle. We're not taking the Audi. We're not taking the IS. We're not taking the new Kia. We're not taking the Pontiac Fiero. We're not taking the Golf. We are taking old reliable 2.5 liter VW Jetta. All right, let's get on the road. I'm all initial speed out today. Let's get on the road and get to this show. I'm excited to see the exotics, the sports cars, the tuners, the muscle cars, hyper cars. Oh, again, I would love to see an F40, maybe an F50. A lot is always good for me. A 918 would be nice. Pagani would be nice. Any Pagani. And any Koenigsegg. Would love to see some Porsches. All right, let's get on the road. This is going to be a good day. So we've made it to Drive Fest. Oh, so much to see, so much to do. The crappy part is, it was supposed to be plus 28. So, you know, decent weather. Not the case today, very windy. So I'm hoping that you're able to hear me. But we came here for some cars, not to hear me. So let's find some cars that we like. Not a Japanese Ferrari. He calls it a Japanese Ferrari. I guess in some respect it is, because you can't have a Ferrari. Something similar. It's like calling my Fiero a Ferrari. See the Cosmo? You're geeking over this, aren't you? Yeah. I know. I know you and your taste. So explain to me why you like this RX-7
Really? Color. It's like all the carbon. I like that it's using a race kit. Like the wheels.
Is there anything you don't like?
There's pretty much everything about this car I like.
So I used to have one of these, but not like this. Oh man, that is too right-hand drive on top of that. Oh my goodness, I kind of miss mine. Mine was an 88 four-door, and I ripped out the 1.8 liter and dumped in a Passat, a 92 Passat 2-liter 16 valve. Not a big fan of the clears, but I don't have to like everything, right? Ugh, I miss it. I would take this over that any day. Don't believe me? Comment in the bottom. We can talk about it. $275.80 ZR 822s. One of the ones I must get. Maranello. You would have seen this in Bad Boys 2, except Will was driving a silver one. It's for you, Brandon. Second favorite of all time. Oh man, I want one. Oh, this was at Yorkville. Ooh, 812 super fast. For you, Stefan. Cannonball run. Wide body Aventador. Did I ever tell you about the Aventador that I took on in the Audi? Story for another time. never a big fan of this, but I can respect it. GTO. I would rock it. I would drive the hell out of this thing. Oh man. Very nice. Man, you don't realize how wide these things are until you're in front of them. Pagani Huayra. If you look really closely, you can see the carbon fiber weave through the paint. Look at that air brake dams, help cornering. And if that's not your type or your style, how about a little Rolls Royce action? With the white lip on the wheel, sick. And if that's not good enough for you, alright, well I guess I've seen one out of the few cars that I wanted to see. Show you from behind, no pause. Maybe here you'll be able to see the carbon weave better. Paint is so thin, you see the carbon weave through it. Insane. So unnecessary, but necessary. Feel me? It's clean. Well, it's dirty, but it's clean. All-wheel drive, 4-seater. I am not a Viper fan by any means, but it's pretty cool to watch them go down the strip. That first generation is not easy to drive. Ask me how I know.
Kid, everybody's talking to the kid. Everyone is talking to you. You're irrelevant.
Whoa! You think you could drive it?
My relatives. My cousin.
Drive daddy around? Yeah?
Pretty sweet.
You like it?
There she is. I could really get down with this. Just gonna have to start selling some merch. How about this monster, Charles? You get down with this, Charles? Looks good in the sun, man. Nice color. Time to get out of here.